Today we're going to be tackling something quite quick and easy. We're going to be transcribing videos online. Oh, you didn't know that was easy to do? Well, let me show you. Going to our website, typestudio.co, and going up to the top right and signing up for a free account. You're gonna start a new project, find that video you're trying to transcribe, drag it and drop it in and let it upload into the program. You're gonna be met with a transcription of the dialogue on the left-hand side and then a video preview on the right. With this, your video has been transcribed. And now you have the complete text transcription of the dialogue said within the video that you can now export in any way you'd like. But before you do that, I would suggest re-listening through it because sometimes if you mumble or you talk really fast like I do, the program might have a little bit of trouble picking up on exactly what you say. Usually, it's very good, but it's better to be safe than sorry. But once you feel comfortable with your transcription, you're gonna go up to the top right and choose from a number of export options. You can either download the SRT file, the VTT file, a TXT file, or even if you'd like, you can copy the text to clipboard so you can paste it in a separate document.